Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. So welcome to the Tech Quest and Rotary Club of Tejpur presents Quiz Kshetra Battle of the Minds. So here are the answers for the prelims of this quiz. So here we go. So question number 1, we are looking for a particular good word which according to www.dictionary.com defines like this: turning or capable of turning around on an axis as a wheel, taking place around an axis as motion, having a part or parts that turn on an axis as a machine. So since this was the first question, so this is a tribute question to Rotary Tezpur. So the answer is Rotary, so that will fetch you full points. Moving on to the next question, question 2. So in this question we are looking for the Nobel laureate in the famous book. So this Nobel laureate was known for uh, something in his field for working on a single problem for up to many years and then coming up with a definite monograph regarding the problem. So at the end he came out with a book showing both his calculation and the original. He later remarked that the almost every single case the original methods were better. So what book and who is the Nobel laureate? This is indeed Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, and the famous book being the Newton's Principia. Easy one probably. Moving on to next question, question 3. So in this question we are looking for a famous Indian club, and the person in the question formed in 19th century by a British civil servant. This institution was the first to introduce squash and the tennis in South India. Among the honorary members is an ex-captain of England in certain sport who was also born in the city. So he is being talked about. So ex-captain of England and the Indian club. So this is indeed Madras Cricket Club, and Nasir Hussain is what we are looking for. Moving on to next question, question number 4. Started in early 1900s, identified a company which turned themselves to a famous corporate entity at around 1970 to 1980. So which company being talked about which turned themselves into a famous corporate around 1970 to 1980? So this is Wadilal. So Wadilal is good enough for points. Easy one though. Moving on to next question, question number 5. Just name the town. Upper and lower dash were two small towns in southwest Germany. So though not much is known about the history of these towns, yet a mention a church can be found in a documentation from the late 12th century. The two towns got separate lower dash was sold off in late 13th century, and the upper was taken over by Austria. So just name the town which is in the question. So this is Winden from the web series Dark. So Winden is what we are looking for. So pop culture connecting Dark. So moving on to question number 6. So easy one. What are these called? The particular thing can be seen being used by Mumbai police near the Marine Drive recently. So they are using this particular thing for checking up, or they can be seen using this by Mumbai police in the Marine Drive. So what are these called? So these are called the Segway. Segway is good enough. Moving on to question number 7. Whose last tweet is X? So not looking for the name of the person though, but since we are looking for X, so we need X exactly. So thank you for everything. My last ask is the same as my first. I'm asking you to believe not in only my ability to create change but in yours. So whose last tweet is X? So what's X? So this is indeed Barack Obama is the president of USA. President Obama is what we were looking for. So full answer is required. Barack Obama as president of USA. So moving on to the next question. Question number 8. The team comprised of Anand Swarup, Haseen Yadav and Ved Prakash. So simply tell, the work is assigned to this particular team. So what work is this? So Anand Swarup, Haseen Yadav and Ved Prakash used to get nearly 5,000 tweets in a day, out of which 30% are retweets, while 20 to 30% are comments. So already it can be like taken in. If you people can take a guess, like 500 tweets a day, something very big entity. So this is they are the person behind the Twitter handle of the Ministry of Indian Railways. So Ministry of Indian Railways is good enough. So these are the three people who are handling the Twitter account, Twitter handle of the Ministry of Indian Railways. So moving on to question number 9, give me the event. So event is what we are looking for. So what event is this? So this is Yalta conference. So Yalta conference is good enough. Moving on to question number 10. So what am I talking about, which also had a connection with India and finds mention in the national anthem of USA? So what is being talked about? Connection with India as well. These are first used in British in early 1800s. The British created a lot of these items for the use in the Napoleonic Wars. So what is being talked about? So this is the Congreve rockets. So Congreve rocket will fetch you full points. Moving on to next question, question number 11. So from now onwards we have the MCQs. So butterfly, Chelsea, Mandarin, Medici, Pedically, and round, sailor, and upturned are various type of which particular item that varies with the vagaries of fashion. What is and is often starched. So what we are looking for, what are these type of? So we have the options: tie, collars, sleeves, design, lapels. So these are basically the different types of collars. So option 2, collars is good enough. Moving on to next question, question number 12. So this one says, this one is an amulet dashed to a great carrier. So what was the occasion which is being commemorated in this particular amulet? So what particular occasion? So retirement of Sachin Tendulkar, retirement of Jack Callis, retirement of Ricky Ponting, and retirement of MS Dhoni is in the question. So the answer is, this is retirement of Jack Callis. So Khallas to a great career. So Callis is good enough. A Callis apart. So you could have guessed easily by the color of the collar as well. It was green in color, so it would be South Africa. So from that you would have easily guessed. Moving on to the next question, one of the oldest dice is shown here, which is known to be from the Indus Valley civilization, used for the gambling and purchasing. In which city it is kept as a showpiece now? So we are looking for a particular city where it is kept. So which city is being talked about? The dice from the Indus Valley civilization. So this particular dice. So in option we had New Delhi, London, Kurukshetra, and Lahore. So the answer is Lahore. Option D, Lahore, is good enough. Moving on to question number 14. Ahinsar Juy was an unfinished novel of which Indian author? So Ahinsar Juy was unfinished novel of which Indian author? So we had the option Birensi Kumar Borua, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, Lakshminath Bezbarua, and Nabakanta Borua. So the answer is Nabakanta Borua. So audience, if you are watching this question, do tell me what is this book all about. So Ahinsar Juy is based on whose life? So you can comment down your answers. So moving on to next question, question number 15. Which apparel company was recently launched fake grass stained jeans for INR Indian rupee 88k? So 88,000 Indian rupee. So fake grass jeans was launched by which particular company? Versace, Givenchy, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton. So what we were looking for is Gucci. So moving on to the next question. Connect the dots. We had few images here. So easy one though. If you pronounce this, you may find a very specific connect. So this is something just like this. We had Achilles, we have Hercules, we have Spider-Man, we had Batman, Moon and its eclipse, and Superman. So this is something just like this. Moving on to next question. Question 17. As revealed by the person, this character inspired him to do something in the early 2000s. Who and what? So this particular character from a particular comic inspired him, a person, to do something in early 2000s. So who and what? So this is indeed Ronaldo and his hairstyle. Ronaldo from Brazil and his hairstyle. So audience, if you are watching, do comment which comic or which character is in the question. Do comment down your answers. Moving on to next question. Question number 18. So give me the name of the non-Bollywood movie and the Hollywood movie it was inspired from. So we are asking for the name of the Hollywood movie and the non-Bollywood movie. There is no point for the Bollywood movie. So we are talking about this award-winning movie finds mention in a certain list created by Richard Corliss and Richard Schickel in the early 2000s, said to be inspired from another cult classic Hollywood movie series first released in early 1970s. The lead actor of this movie went on to win the National Award for Best Actor, and as per the tradition goes, Bollywood made a remake of this non-Bollywood movie a year after the initial release. So name of the non-Bollywood movie and the Hollywood movie. So there is no point for the Bollywood movie. So we have two parts. So the answer is Godfather series, and Nayakan is what we were looking for, and the Bollywood movie being Dayavan, so no point for Dayavan. So Nayakan half and Godfather half. Moving on to the penultimate question. So X and Y and what achievement? So X said, I remember when we signed Y, he refused to get a car because he thought he would just run to the training ground every day. Y would go on to become one of the best players in his position, while X recently became the oldest player to achieve something in the Premier League era. So what achievement? Who are X and Y? So before moving on to the last question and the answer of this question, thank you for watching the full video. Do subscribe the channel, like the video, share with your friends, and wait for the results. We will be premiering the finals tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever we have the full video or the final ready. So the X and Y, this is Jamie Vardy and N'Golo Kante won the golden boot is what we are looking for. So here's the answer. So moving on to the last question, question 20. So where does he make his only appearance? So this is a character created by Hedge called the Maharaja of Gopal. He is one who gave Bianca Castafiore the Castafiore Emerald. Interestingly, he doesn't make his appearance in any of the Tintin adventures. Where does he make his only appearance is what we are looking for. So this is the adventure of Joe with Jete and Joko is another series created by Hergé apart from Tintin and Quick and Fluke, the Valleys of the Cobras being one of the book. So this is what we were looking for. Thank you for watching the full video. That's all from our side, Quiz Kshetra Battle of Minds, and wait for the result, wait for the finals. That's all from our side.